So we're going to go ahead and make bread and butter pickles and bread and butter zucchini spears. You just came in out of the garden. You gotta love this time of year. Everybody's starting to pick. Everybody's starting to bring in stuff. Now what do? We want to start preserving this stuff as fast as we can. We grabbed everything that was appropriate to pickle. We like to have a variety of sizes. Now our pickling cucumbers don't get very long, but they do plump up nicely. And if you get one that hides, it'll turn orange almost overnight. If that happens, it can stop the plant from producing, because this thing's going to seed. We're also going to wash up our monster zucchini. Like I said, since we have no pesticides out there, just making sure the dirt's off is about all we have to do. Take off the ends, and we're going to do this about the same. I'm going to cut it right down the middle. You can cut it in half and then quarter that right down the crown. These seeds are a lot more mature. You definitely have the white line, which is your seed line. And these bigger seeds, these big ones are a little tough, so we're removing them for that reason. Alright, we're going to pack these in quart jars. So we're going to cut these just about in half. They're easier to work with if you cut them in half now. Inspect the skin. If you got any little divots or any imperfections, go ahead and trim those off. Slice them into spears. Set them off into your bowl. Just have the jar here to kind of give you an idea. That gives you just about the right length. Put as many as you can fill jars. Since we're adding a brine, once we get them filled, we can take an estimate of how much brine we're going to actually need, and we can increase the recipe or decrease the recipe. We just cut our pickles into nice little wedges. Just take the end off the cucumber, take the end off the cucumber. They don't have to be exactly the same size. All pickle just fine. Some of these smaller ones, kind of cut at a diagonal. There we have bread and butter zucchini wedges, bread and butter pickles, zucchini relish. Let's salt them, get them in the refrigerator, and we'll can these up tomorrow. Alright, once again, this is not to season, this is to draw the water out. So, put a little on here, stir it up, put a little more on. Okay, today we're going to make zucchini spears, bread and butter pickles, and one more batch of zucchini relish. There's a couple kinds of pickling. We're going to do two kinds today. We're going to pack the jars and add a brine, and then hot bath. We're also going to do the cooked, which is the zucchini relish, which we did last week. So I'm going to go ahead and measure out the sugar for both. One we're just making brine, one we're making brine that we're going to add the vegetables to. Alright, let me get the ingredients out and we'll take a look. For the bread and butter pickles, the recipe calls for 15 cups of sugar. We're not using 30 cucumbers, so we're going to cut that in half, since this is just a brine. I don't want to have too much left over. For our bread and butter pickles, our flavoring will be turmeric, celery seed, mustard seed. We've already got the vinegar and the sugar, and that's for our syrup. So, the turmeric, celery seed, and mustard seed. Medium sugar going. Alright, now for our zucchini relish. The nutmeg, black pepper, celery seed we like, and our turmeric. Your ingredients there. That's stirred up. Alright, while the sugar is dissolving and the jars are sterilizing, we're going to go ahead and rinse off the vegetables. All lined up like cordwood. That's the way they're going to go in the jars. Got just a little bit more to rinse off. While you're doing that, make sure the sugar is dissolving. Alright, let that all drain. In each jar you put some peppers and onions in the bottom. It really is kind of to taste. We're going to come back and cap the rest. We're going to put more on top. Okay, now for your spears, well, we had them all kind of lined up the same direction. Get them standing up. I was kind of trying to cut them about the right length. We're not sure how many jars we're going to get out of this. That's why I cut that brine recipe in half. Say stuff them on in there. Make sure they're down at the bottom. Alright, those jars are full. Do some pickles. Push them in kind of tight. Remove the air bubbles when we put the brine in. Here's the thing, since you're using the same brine, anything that's left over, squeeze into one of these zucchini jars. And it'll be just fine. Okay, still want to leave about a ½ inch of head space. Enough space so that when this gets hot in a hot water bath, it has enough room to expand and push the air out. Alright, so since this is packed, stir that once. We'll take a clean knife and run down the sides here in a second, get any air bubbles out. I just use a clean knife. They've got all kind of special utensils. Gonna run it down each side. Make sure you got any kind of weird air bubbles out of there. These are a little stickier, a little thicker syrup. Definitely want to make sure these rims are clean. Alright, go ahead and put some lids on. Just finger tight. That cook. Set out some new paper towels. Get ready to fill those jars. There was another quick 15 minutes. These are all hand tight, preset, ready to go back in. Those are warm. Back in 10 minutes. There's There's another quick 10 minutes. Turn the heat off. Whether you're cooking your vegetables in a brine, there you go, starting to seal. Whether you're cooking your vegetables in a brine before hot water bath, or whether you're filling the jars and adding the brine second, you want to follow the basic recipe. A lot of the spices are just there for flavor. Some people put them in a little cloth bag. I believe they call that a sachet. Boil that with their syrup, remove it before they add the syrup to the vegetables. Like this, we just added our ingredients right with the sugar and the vinegar. So there you go, bread and butter pickles, zucchini spears, made easy. The brine recipe was based off the Big Easy Chef and will be down below in the description. To get the recipe for the zucchini relish, go to the video, zucchini relish. Thank you for coming to my garden and to my kitchen. Come on, let's cook. I can't believe I said sachet. It's a bag of spices. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.